I'm giving you the 4 big money mistakes to avoid when rebuilding your property. These are all great tips. Make sure you stick around for the last one. First big money mistake is being unrealistic about what you can accomplish. So an example of that is, I can get this addition done in 2 months. Big mistake. You don't know if you need permits. You don't know if you need zoning. You don't know if you have to get an engineer, an architect to draw up the addition. You have no idea. Second big money mistake is not considering impact on daily life. What I mean by that is a lot of people come to me and say, hey, we want to get this addition done and we want to live in the home while this addition is being completed. Sometimes this addition is above a kitchen and I need access to the kitchen, and the couple doesn't have access to that kitchen for the entire duration of the construction. That is a big mistake. It's going to impact your daily life. You're not going to be able to utilize anything in the kitchen. You're going to have a grill outside while you're cooking for your kids, whatever is going on. It's just not practical. And a lot of people don't plan for that. Third big mistake is under budgeting. Now, that's something that I'm kind of victim of. A lot of people are, even as a contractor. Sometimes the contractors want to come in and underbid because they want to get the job and they don't realize what they're taking on. The homeowners accept it because they think, oh, this is what's going to be completed. A lot of times you have to budget carrying costs for your mortgage. You have to budget taxes. You have to budget insurance. You have to budget, architectural fees. You have to budget soft costs. You're going to have to budget everything. I mean, it's not an easy task to take on a big addition. A lot of people use their life savings, their 401ks. They borrow money from parents. Especially if you're an investor, don't cheap out because you could really add that to the long run and you're going to hurt your carrying costs and you're going to really affect that return on your property. The biggest mistake is ignoring your return on investment. A lot of people are distracted by construction. A lot of people are distracted by your day-to-day things that are going on. And what happens is you get consumed and sucked into choosing colors, paying the mortgages, trying to recoup costs. You're completely neglecting your ROI and realizing, well, you don't know if you're going to really do a major kitchen remodel or a minor kitchen remodel. And things just start happening and you lose control. So I would say pay attention to your ROI. I hope you found these tips helpful. Make sure you like and subscribe with the Real Estate Mix for more tips.